In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark time as out of office in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal scheduling. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to look at your current calendar view so you can clearly see the dates on your timeline. Next, find the exact date when your absence begins. This is the date you want your out of office time to start. On the calendar timeline, click directly on that specific date box. When you click the date, Google Calendar will open a small event creation pop-up window. This is where you can quickly create different types of calendar entries without having to open a full editing page right away. In that pop-up window, look for the option labeled Out of Office and select it. This tells Google Calendar that you're not just creating a regular meeting or reminder, but setting time aside to show that you'll be unavailable. Choosing the correct card option is important because it helps your calendar communicate your availability more clearly to anyone who may be scheduling with you. At this point, you've completed the key action needed to begin setting up your absence in Google Calendar. Using the out of office option is a simple and effective way to block time on your schedule and make your availability easier to understand at a glance. It's especially useful for vacations, personal appointments, or any period when you won't be able to respond or attend meetings. As a quick tip, be sure you click the correct starting date before selecting the out of office option, since that first selection determines where the entry begins on your calendar. If needed, you can always review the calendar carefully before moving on. And that's how to begin marking yourself as out of office in Google Calendar using Chrome. Once you know where to click and which option to choose, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.